Holy shit.
So we are going to really try once again to get inside of this iPod.
Once again, yes.
The iPod Nano 5G. And we failed pretty bad at this step.
Yeah, we think that that's the problem, that we need to heat it more.
Here, can you see it? This thing, that little piece of
it's even animated
metal.
Yeah.
This here.
We're
now going to heat this up. We're gonna heat this up so that it almost combusts.
Yeah, so maybe it will combust. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
We'll see.
So yeah. So.
Yep.
What?
Here you need to turn it on.
Ah. Whoa.
What the hell was that?
That didn't look good actually.
I didn't record it at all.
Get off, you motherfucker. Wait,
It's really, oh my god. Oh my, this is burning.
Ah! Oh fuck.
Okay. My god, this is so hot.
We could just go to the bath. Oh fuck. So if this doesn't work, I don't know. Oh god, the knife again. I missed you.
It starts again.
This is unbelievable.
Right where we left. No progress at all.
Let's scratch this iPod up. Scratch this up. Right. Through the camera. Boom.
Now this guy here on iFixit said that we can pull it out with tweezers.
How? I mean, this is even more... You know what, this doesn't work.
No, as I
This
said,
can't work.
it can't. It's way too fat.
Does this iPod look messed up to you?
No.
It looks fine to me.
It's good as new. It's good as new. If it would work.
Yes. So, we almost...
I almost cut my finger off,
But it moved.
It moved. So now we will heat it up.
Worth it.
It will heat it up.
We need to heat it up even more. What?
My god.
Everything is falling apart.
Come on. How did I do it? How? How in the name of God?
Are you in?
No. I'm just scared that I stab myself in the face. And I do this like that.
You were in there.
No.
It's that easy.
Yeah.
So here's our final solution for this iPod.
There's only one way. We're gonna smash through the camera and then just pull it off.
This sounds so bad.
It is the worst solution, but we just can't get this off in the normal way. So,
Oh fuck, my life just looks bad.
can you even see something?
It looks like you just want to kill it. Does it work?
This sounds so bad.
Are you through?
I think, or? Yeah, the camera is probably messed up now. But
No, it works fine. This is like this camera over here needs to see his brother die.
that happens to you if you don't leave here. Okay, I'm through.
Oh my god!
Okay.
We probably need something that is more slim, you know?
Yep, we need
Like
some...
a Zahnstocher.
Yeah.
No, a Zahnstocher would
This will
just
just
break.
break,
It
yeah.
would just break, it wouldn't help at all. But this is too ding. What broke now?
Yeah, I don't know. But it sounded not really
Now
nice.
3 possibilities. We smash through the main board. It combusts. I don't know. Or I will kill it with a sledgehammer.
It moves.
Yeah, it moves. It moves since a half hour.
Alright.
I think it's already.
Mother of God. Please.
Well, we have 3 hours left, so maybe something happens. Now your face, you thought for a second that it would come.
Yes.
That looked good.
Look at this camera. What is left of it at least? My God.
This is clearly 100% how you do it. What can we use actually, really now?
Yeah, something to pull it off.
Nail would be too much. So here you go. Now you see how this is really how not to do disassemble.
Totally not.
But we just want to go in and rip this shit apart. Oh fuck my
Get
life.
off.
This looks so bad.
Oh.
You're in?
Yeah, probably inside of some electronics.
Maybe it will. Bzz. It moved for 1 second. You bitch. Wait, just pull it up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes!
Yeah!
Yes! Pull it off!
Fuck you! What?
There is the connector thing. Yeah! There it is!
Sometimes brute force just works. Look at the camera! Look at that, guys.
That was the camera.
You really shattered the glass, didn't you?
Yep, I totally.
No, the camera is fine though. This is
What?
the glass from the front. Look at it. The
Yeah,
camera
here's
is-
the rest.
Oh.
Ah.
Well, there you go. Now let's move on.
Yep, we can finally.
Finally,
continue.
this piece of shit is dead.
No. This is not moving.
Oh, fuck my life. I almost bent it upwards.
Oh
Oops.
yeah, this would have been too easy.
Whoa. Whoops.
There it goes. Good, good,
It
good.
doesn't move though.
You already moved it through the.
Yeah, but what now? There is nothing to move up.
If
Goof. We're just so happy that this fucking plate is gone.
yeah.
The reaction, no. Something cracked.
I think I broke the screen. No, it's fine.
You know, it cracked 3 times when I used it.
Why does it not move?
Please don't do that, what you tried to do.
Oh my god.
This is really... Disassembling an iPod is that easy.
It's so easy. Nobody can do it. What?
It just...
It moved.
It sounded.
did it do?
It sounded like it just destroyed everything, but...
But it moves.
Okay, now I can't go in there anymore. Oh God!
Yes. Can we just push it out?
I'm sweating. I could bring water on there. This is not
Oh,
good.
seriously? So bad?
I can't hold it. That's the problem, right? What the fuck?
There's the battery.
I think no. This
There's the battery.
there is no
Just
battery.
remember.
No. The battery is more under there.
Okay. It moves. It moves. It moves.
Oh, the thing. We should look out for that.
That is
Ooh.
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 Oh.
This is not good. Wait, let's push it back there. Okay, there it is.
It sounds so
this,
bad.
This is probably dead now.
It sounds so bad.
Wait, I am gonna push it now. Until it's here. Now we need to push it through there. Need to push. Yes.
Is it through?
Well, it's dead.
Is it ripped?
Look at that.
That's,
I mean, I don't know if that's the connector though.
I think it is. It was.
It was.
Yeah, well, come here, you fucker.
What did you do?
I don't know.
You were like...
What did you do?
Get out! Come here, son. I'm sweating too much now.
I think it was the battery or the screen. One of those.
No, there's no crack on the screen though.
Yeah, maybe underneath.
It sounds worse than...
We really don't give a shit about it anymore. Oh god.
Just get out. Then it's disassembled. Done.
This is impossible. No,
So what did we rip actually?
This can't be.
It would be interesting. I think we ripped that part. Do you see that? This is the part we killed. And for sure that's the connector, because that would be just logical us.
Should you see?
Wait, we need something to put under now for the screen with.
Oh god.
Wait, fuck.
There just fell something out. Who cares?
What fell out of this?
This is just it's dead.
Well,
It's broken.
what is broken? Did you just break it?
No, it fell off. There is it. This is ripped.
Well, if it turns on, if it just does something when we put the... Here you guys go. This is the piece of shit that could combust.
Here it is.
Wait.
This is it.
We pulled it apart. Here you go.
Here's
This is a success already.
Here's the case.
We could use that for, I don't know, burn it to the ground. You know, it's dead already, so we probably will throw it off the window after this video because it's dead.
This is really bad. Damaged.
So, what now?
Yeah, what now? Let's continue.
I mean, it's not like it's dead already.
Okay.
What now?
Battery. Use your fingers to carefully lift the battery off the back of the LCD.
But this is the part where I punched it.
You have to touch it there. It's not gonna do it.
Oh, that's actually easy.
Yeah, wait, don't rip it off.
It's dead already.
Down there.
What's now?
Turn the battery over.
We should try...
Show the orange hold button ribbon cable is visible along the underside of the battery.
Is this the cable? Is this a shitty... Do you see... Do the guys see anything? Do they... Yep, you see, it's... This
Can
is the
they see?
ribbon. This is the fucking cable. Wait, do you see this small thing?
This small thing, yeah. This is
Wow. Okay. Can you go the next step? Guys, please do never disassemble a fucking iPod Nano.
Never.
Never.
This is not worth any hassle.
I mean, we killed it, but at least we will get that fucking battery off. And what now? I should just pull it off or what?
To remove the orange tape that covers the 3 solder connections for the battery.
And how do you do that without killing the mainboard though? No, seriously, no.
You need to remove this, look.
What?
This small.
There is nothing.
Oh,
we
it's already
we
gone.
ripped it already.
Oh, it's gone, good.
So what now? Oh no,
Ah.
the soldering! Great, and this is gonna be fun. Okay, I'm just gonna let it sit there. It's dead already. Okay, so we're gonna show you something now. Because now, wait, you can, yeah, you can do it. Just focus. Now, guys, the funniest shit will begin with soldering. We should do that outside, actually, and honest here.
Yeah.
We have any kind of electricity outside where we
Yeah,
can plug
sure.
this, because we could burn the whole house here down if we do shit, because this is... I burnt my finger once with that shit.
Alright.
It's not fun.
I've never done anything like this before.
I did it one time, then I burnt myself, so...
So we are perfectly
ready for that.
ready for it, yeah.